What really happens if you accidentally put gasoline in a diesel car? Sounds like a small mistake until your engine starts protesting like it's had the wrong coffee in the morning. Can this simple mix up cause serious damage? Short answer yes, absolutely. Gasoline and diesel engines are built very differently, and confusing the two can turn a normal drive into an expensive life lesson. In this video, we will explain why gasoline is bad news for diesel engines and exactly what to do if ever happens to you. Why diesel engines need diesel fuel? Diesel engines work using compression ignition, not spark plugs. That means diesel fuel ignites under high pressure and heat. But diesel does more than just burn. It also lubricates critical engine components like fuel pump and injectors. Think of it as fuel and engine body lotion at the same time. Using the correct fuel keeps everything running smoothly and prevents damage caused by poor combustion or excessive friction. Gasoline versus diesel, not the same party. Gasoline and diesel may come from the same gas station, but chemically they are very different. Gasoline is lighter, more volatile, and burns quickly with a spark. Diesel is heavier and ignites from heat and pressure. Put gasoline into a diesel engine, and suddenly the engine is very confused, like trying to cook a steak in a toaster. So, what happens immediately after gasoline enters a diesel engine? Gasoline doesn't ignite the way diesel should in a diesel engine. The result misfires, loss of power, rough running, sometimes the engine just gives up and stalls. And because gasoline has almost zero lubricating properties, metal parts start rubbing where they really shouldn't. That's when things get really expensive. Warning signs you might notice: if gasoline has contaminated your diesel system, your car may start acting very strange. You could hear knocking or piping noises. Exhaust smoke may look lighter or even bluish. The engine might hesitate, idle roughly, or feel weak. Catching these signs early can save you a lot of money and a lot of stress. How gasoline damages diesel engine components. Inside the diesel engine, gasoline behaves like a solvent. It can damage seals, reduce lubrication, and accelerate wear in the fuel pump and injectors. Diesel is meant to protect those parts. Gasoline does the opposite. Leave it in the system too long, and you're looking at leaks, failures, and very unhappy mechanics. What to do immediately if you miss fuel? First rule, don't panic. Second rule, do not start the engine. If you realize the mistake at the pump station, stop immediately. Don't crank the engine just to see if it's okay. Call a mechanic or towing service instead. Acting fast can be make the difference between simple cleanup and a major repair bill. How professionals fix the problem? Mechanics will drain the fuel tank completely and flush the fuel lines. Filters are usually replaced, and the fuel pump and injectors are inspected for damage. Once everything is clean, fresh diesel goes in, tests are run, and if you are lucky, the engine lives to drive another day. Easy ways to avoid misfueling. Always double check the pump before filling up. Clearly the label fuel cap. Educate anyone else who might fuel your car. Use color coded containers or diesel specific nozzles. Small havoc, big savings. The financial reality of using gasoline in a diesel engine. Using the wrong fuel can mean replacing injectors, fuel pumps, seals, or in worst cases, rebuilding the whole engine. Add towing costs and downtime, and suddenly that small mistake isn't so small anymore. Why using the right fuel really matters. Diesel and gasoline engines are designed for completely different combustion processes. Using the correct fuel ensures better performance, efficiency, and long engine life. In short, your engine will thank you and your wallet will too. Putting gasoline in a diesel car can cause serious damages, but knowing what to do and acting quickly can save both your engines and your money. Always double check before fueling, it's one of the easiest ways to avoid a very costly mistake. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful car tips right here on Coupe Garage. Thanks for watching and until next time, fuel wisely.